Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Ferrari 812 Competizione. This casting is by Bburago and it's in 1664. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Ferrari. First thing first, it's red. I think all the Ferrari should be red. Looks really good on them. So this is the 812 kind of special edition, I will say, or maybe a bit faster edition. So you've got few things which look, kind of racy. But let's talk about the casting. So up front, you got nicely detailed front end with this kind of realistic looking headlamps. Lower grille, which looks really good. Also, you got splitters in the front. I think this might be carbon fiber in the real car. I'm not sure. You've got the Ferrari logo. This is inspired. No, it's not inspired. I don't know what is inspired, but you've got this line that goes from front to back painted. What's it called? Strip. Yeah, paint strip. From front to back in yellow. Looks good. Does miss out on the mirrors. I don't know why Bburago decided not to do that. But apart from that, looks good from the front. It's got the windshield wiper, the black trim around it. Looks good. Now coming to the rear side, you got some nice details here. You got the Ferrari badge, you got the vents, you got the body kit going, and look at this. It's got the Pirelli P0 tires and Ferrari wheels. Really cool car detail for a 164. The interior is done in black. You got typical racing seats and other stuff. Let's move to the back. The back, you got the tail lamps, which are kind of detailed. You got the Ferrari logo. You got this, I would say, vents. Then you've got big diffuser in the bottom and a spoiler here if you look from the side, integrated spoiler. And I thought 812 was front engine. I don't know why this hatch is there. I'm not sure. I thought the 812 was front engine. I thought that. But you've got a fuel filler here on the passenger side. Apart from that, looks identical as the driver side. Now, this particular casting comes with opening doors. So here you go. Come on, those take time to open up and shuts really quickly. Sorry for that. This door doesn't want to open up. Okay, so let's see the driver side. So you can see the interior in the black. It does have some details like flat bottom steering, racing seats. Apart from that, I don't think any major details are visible. Let me try again if I can open the passenger door. I don't want to break the glass. Oh yeah, finally I got it. Okay, so this is how you can see the interior from this side too. Now, overall, well, it's a nice looking casting. Would have loved it had mirrors because everything else looks really good on this one. So if you find one, I think you should get one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.